Sometimes you're approved for more house than you should actually buy. I want to make sure everyone understands that before they start shopping. Lenders qualify you based on debt-to-income ratios that can go up to 45% and sometimes 56% of your gross income going towards debt. That's the bank's max. That might not be a comfortable number for you. Here's the better number. Roughly a third of your gross income goes toward full housing payment. Principal, interest, taxes, insurance, all of it. That's the payment that still leaves room for an actual life. On a $7,000 a month income, that's the difference between $2,500 approved payment and a $2,300 comfortable one. Doesn't sound big until you remember the approved number assumes nothing in your life ever changes. It does. Things change. You need to plan for that. Full breakdown on YouTube, the real math and how to find your actual number, not just the bank's number. Link in caption.